Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this stunning Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX, and this one is the Performance Tourer. So you can get these bikes in 3 different trims. You can get the normal one, you can get the Tourer, or you can get the Performance. Sorry, 4 trims, because you can also get the Performance Tourer. So this has basically got everything on it from Kawasaki as an option. So you've got the removable panniers, the seat cowl, the Acro exhaust, that just sounds superb. You get the protection from Kawasaki on the side of the fairings. You get the heated grips. You get the power socket as well. I feel like I'm missing something.
Smoke screen. Smoke
screen, thanks John. But really, really good spec. The new Ninjas do come with a full colour TFT display, riding modes, traction, ABS, and yeah, they're just really, really, really good bikes. They come with a quickshifter and cruise control as well now, which the old one didn't do, full LED lights, and they're just an amazing bike whether you want to go touring or go for a sporty ride. They sort of tick every box really. If you do fancy it, they always do sell pretty quick, so give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
Hi, my name's Nick, and thank you for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. Our guys are really, really fussy. It also comes with a 3-month warranty as well, and you can upgrade that to either a 1-year or a 2-year warranty. It's a really, really good cover. We also offer finance and PCP, subject to status, so give us a call if you'd like a quote for that. And if you'd like an even more detailed walk around video, getting every single nook and cranny, just give us a call, and we're quite happy to do that if you can't get down to the store. That's it. Thank you for watching. Get on that phone, give us a ring, get it bought. Cheers.